Pollution is a key issue that has been affecting our earth. Although it is an issue that has been prevalent since ancient times, in the 21st century its harmful effect has been felt on a large scale. Although the governments of different countries have taken several major steps to curb these effects, there is still a long way to go. Several natural processes and cycles get disturbed due to this. Not only that, many flora and fauna today either have gone extinct or are endangered. Due to the rapid increase in the amount of pollution, animals are losing their habitat at a rapid speed. Pollution has affected several major cities across the world. A majority of these populated cities lie in India. Although these cities have taken several steps to curb population, they still have a long way to go. The air quality of these places is poor and there are cases of land and water pollution as well. Now it's time that the administration of these cities prepares strategies to check these issues. Types of pollution. Basically, there are four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution. Let's discuss them one by one. Air pollution. It is mainly caused due to the vehicular emission of gases. Harmful gases are produced as byproduct in factories and industries by burning toxic substances such as plastic and leaves in the open, by the vehicular exhaust, by the CFCs used in the refrigeration industry, etc. India has seen an increase in the number of vehicles on its roads. These are responsible for transmitting harmful gases such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. These gases are responsible for reducing the quantity of oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. They also cause several breathing problems, respiratory diseases, types of cancer, etc. Water pollution. It is another big challenge faced by humans nowadays. Sewage of water, waste from industry or factories, etc., are being dumped into water bodies such as canals, rivers, and seas. This has resulted in a loss of habitat for marine life, and dissolved oxygen present in water bodies has started disappearing. The shortage of potable water is a major repercussion of water pollution. People are forced to drink polluted water, due to which they get diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, etc. Soil pollution. A major part of the Indian population depends on agriculture. As a part of these jobs, farmers use loads of herbicides, fertilizers, fungicides, and other similar chemical compounds. This in turn contaminate the soil and make it unfit for growing crops further. Apart from that, if the authorities do not dump industrial or household waste that keeps laying on the ground, this also contributes to soil pollution. This in turn results in the breeding of mosquitoes, which causes of many diseases such as dengue. All these factors are responsible for making the soil toxic. Noise pollution. Apart from contributing to air pollution, a large number of vehicles on the Indian roads also contribute to noise pollution. This is alarming for those who live in urban areas or near the highways. It causes stress-related issues such as anxiety in people. Apart from that, noise from the bursting of cracker, functioning of factories, music played on loudspeakers, especially during the festival season, also contribute to noise pollution. If not controlled, it can affect the functioning of the brain as well. Often the day after the festival of Diwali, it is reported in the media how the bursting of crackers caused an increase in the noise pollution in major cities of India. Although these are the four major types of pollution, lifestyle changes have caused several other types of pollution as well, such as radioactive pollution, light pollution, among others. If a place ends up getting light in excess or in an unwanted amount, then it contributes to light pollution. Nowadays, several urban areas are facing unwanted glares in excess amounts. This is due to the fact that the most Indian cities such as Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, etc. have an active nightlife. We are living in the nuclear era. Since a lot of countries have developing their own nuclear devices, it has led to an increase in the presence of radioactive substances in the atmosphere of the earth. This is known as the radioactive pollution. handling and mining of radioactive substances, testing minor accidents occurring in radioactive power plants are other major causes contributing to radioactive pollution. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.